Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your fave. And before we get into this video, if you want more details of this look, you can go follow me on Instagram, MUA_Andrew_Rose, because we need to get them numbers up on Instagram, okay? But thank you for engaging with my content, because I greatly appreciate it. And if you couldn't tell by the smile on my face, and by the title of this video, we are going to be doing a PR unboxing of Samantha Ravndahl's new brand, Auric. I am so excited. In Twitter, she asked people to drop your favorite content creators down below to, so she can send them products. And some of my faves were tagging me, some of my mutuals were tagging me. And she was like, oh, you're already on the list. And I fucking screamed. This is what the PR box looks like. I'm sure you guys have already seen it all over social media. But I actually haven't opened it. And she has a note in there. So we have two products in this PR can. I'm so excited. We have the Glow Lust Radiant Luminizer and the Smoke Perfect Cream Powder Eyeshadow Duo. The Luminizer is $45 hairs and the Cream Powder Eyeshadow Duo is $39 hairs. We'll be swatching all of that today. I'm so excited. Okay, this is what this is the Glow Lust Luminizer in the shade Citrine. Look at this packaging. Look at that. Look how it looks like dripping gold. How do I open this? So this is Citrine. So let me swatch Citrine. There's a small little dollop of a pump of Citrine. Ooh, this is really That's Citrine. Is that it's like a, how would you, it's like creamy, but it almost has like a whipped texture. I kind of like that. That, again, I can't smell, if you guys don't know. No, I don't have Rona. I have a sinus infection. Swatch Goldstone. Goldstone next to Citrine. Ooh, look at Axonite. That the Glow Lust Radiant Luminizers go for $45, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shades. Okay, now that I'm looking at the little info card, they sent me Citrine, which is medium warm, Goldstone, medium deep warm, and Axonite, deep neutral. And there's a deeper shade, deeper than Axonite, which is Tourmaline, which is deep neutral cool. And I would be so interested to see what Tourmaline looks like, because Charlotte Tilbury just expanded her shade range of the Hollywood Flawless filter. So before the expansion, I was the deepest shade, deep 7 or dark 7, I believe. You guys just need to remember the number. I was number 7, and I believe there's one deeper than that. And so with this one, I feel like would be the perfect shade for me, which is Axonite. And I'm wondering what Tourmaline would look like. I feel like that would be gorgeous. This first cream and powder eyeshadow duo is Temper. This is what the top shade looks like, and this is the cream shadow beneath it. This packaging is just next level. Ugh. Defiance is defined as a bronze gold. Ooh. 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 I think I might like Defiance a lot. This one is cute. So moving on to the last cream powder eyeshadow duo is the Duo Ego. I believe this one is the silver one that she came out with. That's what the top one looks like. This kind of looks like a, it doesn't look like a, if there's like an angle change, I'm sorry, my card was full and I've had to do a lot of saying. But as I was saying, but this off the bat, before I even swatch it, this looks like a, I don't want to say a special silver, but it's not like a silver. Huh. I don't know how to describe that. On the little info card, it's a pewter silver. I don't know what the fuck pewter is, but there you go, pewter and silver. But this is like a, I don't want to say a blue silver, but I like this. It's not like a white silver where it looks, yeah, it's not like a white silver where it looks crazy on like deeper skin tones, but I can't wait to try. Ooh, what is this? This cream shadow. Ooh, oh my god. Oh, I like this. I like this. This is pretty. You know what would be so cool? Crazy. If she had like a black cream shadow shade. Let's open up the note. I don't even like want to like mess it up. This is such a cute card. I love the color scheme of this brand already. It's like, I'm gonna frame this. Yeah, this is the end of this video. This was my first impression and PR unboxing of the Oryx, or the stuff that Oryx sent over to me. Be on the lookout for like a video of me actually trying these on like my skin, my Negro lids, and my face. I'm so excited. I'm really excited to try the Glow Illuminizers. You guys know I love a good deal, you know what I'm saying? And I'm really excited to try the cream and powder shadows, because like I've never had like a need to use like a real cream potted shadow, and I'm really excited. Oh my god. But yeah, thank you guys for sending over these products to me. Like, if you couldn't tell, throughout this whole video, I've been like smiling this whole entire time. My cheeks are sore. I know you guys are probably like, oh my god, you're like so extra. No, I'm just like I don't like to admit it, but I'm really an emotional person, like really emotional. So, but yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. And yeah, I'm gonna go probably take a nap because I filmed like 3 videos now, and